This is a quick intro to VCV Rack. I tried it out for myself the other day and I found starting it wasn't terribly intuitive, so I thought I'd make a video to cover that. I'm using this on a Mac, and so its installation is probably a little different on a PC. On the Mac you get this window, you copy the VSDs to VSD, component to components, and rack into applications. You may need your password to do that. Once you've done that, you've got the application. If you're installing it from the website, you may need your password or may need to open preferences to let you run it. VCV Rack opens like this. There's a bunch of icons in the corner to let you manipulate racks, but nothing to actually show you how to add them. You do that by either right-clicking or pressing enter. This brings up a window. On my window I've got two extra parts here, Bifaco and Audible Instruments. I've downloaded those from the website. They don't come as standard, you have to add them separately. The standard parts are core and fundamental. Core gives you a set of tools. Fundamental gives you most of your modules. To get started, I'm going to show you how to set up a basic subtractive synth. So begin with going to fundamental and add a couple of VCOs. Then we're going to need a mixer to let you mix those together. Then a filter, which would be VCF here. You're also going to need a VCA, which in this case I use VCA 2. And to control the VCA you need an envelope. So that's ADSR. So that's the basics of it. You're also going to need an input and an output. So for the input, go to core and pick MIDI. Now for the input, I'm going to actually use the computer keyboard. If you're using MIDI, you pick it here. You also need to select it in the device. For output, also go to core and select audio. For the device I'm just using standard speakers from the laptop. So that's basic synth. Now you need to control everything here. So for the pitch you need CV to go to full per octave, or V/oct. Connect that up like that. Now connect another one. You might think it'll be difficult, but actually if you could connect from here to here, you can connect two. Now on a hardware system you need a multiple to do that. Software you don't. You do however still need a mixer if you're taking two outputs into one input. So in this case I'm going to take sawtooth waves from each oscillator. And take the output of the mix to input the filter, then the output of the filter into the envelope. The output goes to the audio module. So you're plugging out to in. To control the VCA, use ADSR, so that goes into, you can use EXP or Lin, that's exponential or linear. I'm going to use exponential. I'm going to set these down to begin with. And sustain up. Also going to need to turn the level of the VCA up. and there's nothing. That's quite common in modular, where there's nothing. So you need to connect the gate on the MIDI to gate on the ADSR. Bit quiet. So turn the filter up. Bit boring, so I'll turn the resonance up, and if you turn it back here it won't self-oscillate. It will go into self-oscillation easy, as you just heard. The ADSR can be a little bit clicky, so I tend to move it up a little bit. There's also a pair of controls for controlling the octave. One goes up, and the tilde symbol goes down. So to make an actual interesting sound, you're going to need another envelope to control the filter. So if we go back to fundamental, pick the ADSR again. Now you also need a gate on this, so if you go from the gate to the gate here, it triggers that. And just turn all these down. Make a longish delay. And take the output, and you need to put this into frequency here, the VCF. Turn the VCF CV up full. Not doing much, that's because got off control or freak. It's not set up right. If you want a nice bass sound, make a That's how you set up a basic synth in VCV Rack.